Next, second theory, crystal field theory, represented by CFT. C crystal F field T theory. This theory is given by H. Bethe 1929 and Van Vleck Orgel in 1932. According to this theory is given when valence bond theory is failed. According to this theory, or this theory postulates following. First point of this theory is transition metal transition metal ion is surrounded by the ligand with lone pair of electrons in a complex. Second, all types of ligands are regarded as point point charges. Negative ligands show negative point charges and neutral ligands like H2O, NH3, etc. are regarded as point dipole and just dipole. Third, the interaction force between ligand and central atom is electrostatic, and means electrostatic force means 100% ionic force. According to this theory. Fourth point, all five orbitals of d orbitals like as dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square, y square and dz square in grounded state having same energy are called degenerate orbitals. Fifth point of this theory and important point of this theory, crystal field splitting energy represented by CFSC. The electrons in the d orbitals of the central ion are repelled by the lone pair of ligands. This repulsion will raise the energy level of the d orbitals. So 5 degenerate means same energy. Degenerate d orbitals will split into two sets when repulsion between lone pair of electron and central metal electrons. Then d orbital will split into two sets. Into two sets. First set having different amount of energy. This splitting of 5 degenerate d orbitals of the metal ion under the influence of approaching ligands into two sets of orbital different energy is called crystal field splitting energy. The two sets are named. First set is d orbital facing in the direction of ligands. It is represented by Eg. It is represented by Eg. And second sets d orbitals away from the path of T2G. Then two sets is formed. First set is Eg and second set is T2G. Next point, the energy difference of the energy gap between these two sets means Eg and T2G. It is denoted by del or 10 dq. Important, difference between two set is equal to 10 dq or represented by del, means 1 del equal to 10 dq. This energy difference arises because of the difference in the electrostatic field. Electrostatic fields excited by the ligands on T2G and EG sets of the orbitals. This energy called crystal field splitting energy known as CFSE and also represented by del. Next point, the stability of complex is important, depends on magnitude of crystal field stability means splitting energy. The magnitude of CFSE means first dependent of stability is magnitude of crystal and magnitude of CFSE depends on the nature and number of ligand and also upon the geometry of the complex. Then 7.7 postulates of crystal field theory. Important in this theory, crystal field splitting. Write the short note on splitting in exam. So then this following points is explain the CFT. Next point, CFT crystal field splitting in octahedral complexes. Both first octahedral, second read out tetrahedral complex. First crystal field splitting in octahedral complexes. Split up into two sets. First set consists of two orbitals known as dx square y square and dz square of higher energy called Eg. Means Eg orbital is dx square y square and dz square, two orbitals, and another sets consisting of three orbitals known as dxy, dyz and dzx of lower energy level called T2G. Means T2G having three orbitals like as dxy, dyz and dzx, and Eg orbitals having two orbitals like as dx square, y square and dz square. Eg is a higher energy level and T2G is a lower energy level. This energy level is explained by a splitting diagram in octahedral complexes. This arrow is indicate the increasing order of energy. In grounded state, total 5 d orbitals known as dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square, y square and dz square. In excited state, also 5 d orbitals, but in higher energy level it is split in two levels. First is higher energy level and second is lower energy level. We know higher energy level is having two orbitals and represented by Eg. It is represented by Eg. Eg in two orbitals dx square, y square and dz square. And lower energy level we will know represented by T2G, and T2G in total three orbital known as dxy, dyz and dzx. Energy difference between total Eg and T2G is del equal to 10 dq. Grounded state energy difference between grounded state and Eg is 6 dq, and grounded state and lower energy level difference between 4 dq. This diagram is explain the splitting in octahedral complexes, but following conditions are used in this complexes explained. First, distribution. Distribution of d electrons depend on following two types of energies. Important. First type, crystal field splitting, del O. Del means CFSE, crystal field splitting energy, and O is represented by octahedral, where del equal to CFSE and O equal to octahedral. Second point, pairing energy. P present the energy required pairing in a single orbitals. When, important point, when ligand is weak ligand we know, like as X minus, OH minus, and X minus, OH minus, and H2O is a weak ligand. For weak ligand, crystal field splitting energy is lower than pairing energy. When first in splitting of electrons, after pairing of electrons, then 3 electrons occupy lower like as a T2G, dxy, dyz, and dzx. 3 electrons and 2 electrons dx square, y square, and dz square. This is Eg and this is T2G. When ligand is weak, then 3 electrons, 1, 2, and also 3. Set orbital and 4th electron. When d electronic configuration is d4, then d4 electrons goes to one of the higher set of orbital because electrons is split when ligand is weak. But ligand is strong. Next, when ligand is strong, then opposite process of above. Means when ligand is strong, then like as d4 electronic configuration, then 1, 2, 3, and we know for strong ligand del O is greater than P, means first process is pairing, means 4th electron goes also into T2G, means in strong ligand first pairing and weak ligand first splitting. According to this process, this table is explained. In this table, distribution of d electrons of metal ion for various electronic configuration. This is d. First table is d electrons. D, how many electrons are present in d block? 10 electrons are present. When ligand is strong field ligand, then electronic configuration in T2G and Eg. D1, T2G1, Eg0. N value 1. This N, what is the N? N means number of unpaired electron. N means number of unpaired electron. And magnetic properties is find out, mu value is find out by this formula. Then N value is put up in this formula. Then mu equal to value is also find out. Weak ligand, also this is electronic configuration and n value is 1. Then also find out value following this formula. D2 and D3 is also similar when field is strong and field is weak. But D4 electronic configuration when strong ligand means del O is greater than P, means first electron is pairing. Then electronic configuration is T2G4, Eg0. How many electrons unpaired? One, two, three, and four also. Then unpaired electron is 2. When ligand is weak, then electronic configuration is changed. Del O is less than P, means splitting is first. 3 electrons, 1, 2, 3, and 4th electrons also goes on to Eg. Then how many unpaired electron? 1, 2, 3, and 4. This value is put up in this formula, then mu is value also find out. This is electronic configuration table is filled up by the following process. Please note it on your notebook. Next, spectrochemical series. A series in which ligands are arranged in order of increasing magnitude. Magnitude is decided the stability of the complex of crystal field splitting is called spectrochemical series. It is spectrochemical series order is following: I minus, at least, CO, carbonyl group. The increasing order of electrochemical series, that this series is decided the magnitude, increasing order of magnitude. Then this order is decided the stability of complex compound. Next, second, CFT, crystal field splitting in tetrahedral complexes. First we have read out the crystal field splitting in octahedral complexes. Tetrahedral means 4 ligands is bonded to central metal atom. So crystal field splitting in tetrahedral. This is energy diagram and splitting diagram of tetrahedral complexes. Total we know D5 having 5 orbitals represented by dx, dy, dz, dx square, y square, and dz square. dxy, dyz, and dzx is represented by T2g, and dx square, y square, dz square is represented by Eg. In this electronic configuration is in grounded state and in excited state after split in 2 parts. Energy of T2g set of orbital is greater than energy of Eg set of orbital, means lower energy level in tetrahedral complexes is Eg and higher energy level is T2g. In splitting process, higher energy level and grounded state energy level difference between 4dq and grounded state level and lower energy level difference between -6 dq. Total energy gap between 10 dq. Tetrahedral complexes d orbital splitting in inverted and smaller as compared to the octahedral field splitting orbital. Splitting energies are so low that pairing of electrons are not possible, so these are high spin complexes. Tetrahedral complexes are formed only high spin complexes. Next, crystal field stabilizing energy represented by CFSC. For octahedral complexes, find out the CFSC formula is minus 4n T2G plus 6n EgDq. In tetrahedral complexes, CFSC equal to plus 6n T2G minus 4n EgDq. This formula is find out the crystal field splitting energy in both octahedral and tetrahedral complexes, where n in this formula n is number of electron in given orbitals. And last point is in this compound organic coordination compound is stability of coordination compound. Most of the complexes are highly stable because due to formation of coordination compound, like as cupric Cu2 plus 4H2O is react and form complex compound in aqueous form. The equilibrium constant for in this equation is also called stability constant and represented by Ks. And Ks is done. Ks value is increases, then stability also increases. Then Ks is equilibrium constant, then the equilibrium constant equal to product concentration upon reactant concentration. The interaction between, we know the interaction between metal ion and ligand, it is electrostatic, also known as ionic, regarded as a Lewis acid base. Here acid is like as metal and base is like as ligand, because metal always electron accepting tendency and ligand always electron donating tendency. The interaction is strong, the complex formed is thermodynamically more stable, and the value of stability constant Ks will be large. The dissociation, important point, dissociation constant of complex is inversely stability constant. When dissociation is increased, then stability of complex is decreases, also stability constant also decreases. Next point, factor affecting the stability of a complex ion. Factor affecting, first factor is nature of central atom. First factor is nature of central ion. The important characteristic of metal atom is determining the stability of complexes are following. First, ionic size. The stability of coordination compound. The stability of coordination compound is decreases with increasing size of metal ions. Means metal ions in a group top to bottom move, the always metal ion size is increases, and left to right is move, then in a period size will be decreases. Coordination compound decreases with increasing size of metal ion. Zn, second, more stable complexes formed compared to cadmium second, because cadmium's second size is larger than Zn. Then a small size of central atom is more stable compared to larger size. Second, ionic charge. If the charge density on the central metal ion becomes more greater, will be its stability. Means cationic charge increases, then stability also increases. For example, lithium in a first group, एलिना की रब से फरियाद, lithium sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. But this increasing order in first group, because due to lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, charge will be same, but lithium size is smaller than compared to sodium, and sodium size is smaller than potassium. Then this order is a stability decided by size. Second, lanthanum is more stable compared to this and this, because Sr 2 plus K plus. Then more stable complexes is formed by lanthanum compared to strontium 2 plus and potassium plus, because due to central atom having more positive charge. Next, thorium is more stable compared to yttrium, calcium, sodium, because due to charge is larger compared to yttrium, calcium and sodium. Question of this point: FeCN whole 6, FeCN whole 6 4 minus is less stable compared to FeCN whole 6 3 minus. 3 minus is more stable compared to 4 minus due to reason here Fe3 plus and here Fe2 plus. Nature of ligand. Next, nature of ligand: the more basic ligand and a ligand, the greater is the ease with which it can donate its lone pair of electrons, and therefore greater is the stability of the complexes formed by it. For example, Cn minus and fluoride minus, F minus and Cn minus and NS3 is strong ligand compared to Cl minus H2O. Then the complexes containing Cn minus, F minus, NS3 are more stable compared to Cl minus and H2O ligands. Next, affecting factor is chelate effect. If bidentate, tridentate and polydentate ligands are bonded to central metal ion, then it forms a ring-like structure. This stabilization due to the chelation called chelate effect. Important: when ring-like structure formed by ligands, then stability is increases. For example, COEN whole 3 plus ion more stable compared to CONS3 whole 6 3 plus. Here same central atom, but this complex is more stable compared to this due to ethane 1,2-diamine is form ring-like structure and also known as chelate effect. Next point: size and charge on ligand. When ligand is containing more anionic charge means negative charge and small size, then form more stable complexes. For example, F minus ligand give stable complexes compared to Cl minus, because due to same charge, but fluorine is a small size compared to chlorine. Last, following central atoms present in following complexes. This first is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin central atom is iron. Second, chlorophyll central atom is magnesium, and third, vitamin B12 central atom is cobalt. This chapter will be completed.